Ito po ang Sandugo, labanan ng mga kampiyon at handa na po ang lahat para sa aming unang laban, Ricky Sismundo versus Jovi Merca. Box! Round number 1, 10 rounds in the Super Featherweight division. Ricky Sismundo, the fighter in red trunks. Jovi Merca, the fighter in yellow.
Sismundo is medyo agresivo. Si Sismundo, he'll like to come in and set the pace in the fight. Yun ang estilo niya. Sugod ng sugod. Pero itong laban nito, medyo matangkad si Jovi Merca. So he's a little wary kasi yung jab ni Merca, yun ang key punch para sa kanya.
Pero pinapakita niya dito, Ronnie, na meron din siyang mga body shots. Ricky Sismundo, the hometown boy, he is from Tagbilaran City, Bohol. But he's coming off a loss against third sack Jan Daeng of Thailand in a match for the WBO Oriental Super Featherweight title.
Alam mo, si third sack Jan Daeng fought for the world title, put on a very good fight. He's a strong, they call him Pitbull.
Yes.
Kasi sobrang lakas yung suntok ni Jan Daeng. Malakas ang suntok niya. So, losing to Jan Daeng is not really a blot on your career.
Merca is also coming off a defeat. Merca naman, taga Butuan City, Agusan del Norte, Mindanao. Siya rin ay natalo sa kanyang huling laban versus Jesus Sinchawa ng Dominican Republic of the Congo. He lost via unanimous decision at the end of 10 rounds. 1 minuto at 44 na segundo na lang po ang natitira dito sa round number 1. Ang laban na ito ay nakatakdang tumagal ng 8 rounds.
Tingnan mo yung malakas ang suntok ni Sismundo. He works to the body pagkatapos akyat sa ulo niya. So, maganda yung combination ni Ricky Sismundo. It's a little slow, but he's got power. No question about it. And he's always coming forward. Tignan mo. Sugod ng sugod si Ricky Sismundo.
Ricky Sismundo kontra Jovi Merca, 10 rounds sa Super Featherweight division.
Alam mo yung estilo ni Sismundo is to wear his opponent down with body shots. Palagi gusto niya yung go to the body. You know, he'll like to go to the body. Very rarely switches to the head.
Nagsimula si Sismundo as a 150-pounder, super flyweight, and he won his fight in 2006 against Nona Paris via round 1 TKO.
He's a strong puncher, but he's grown. Itong medyo mabigat na yun he's fighting in the lightweight division, came in at 133 pounds. Yung unang round naman, si Sismundo kontrolado.
Samantalang si Jovi Merca naman ay nagsimula noong 2006. He also won in his first professional fight versus Jomar Cabusas via unanimous decision at the end of 4 rounds. 26 na segundo na lang po ang natitira dito sa round number 1. A solid uppercut followed by a right hook by Sismundo.
Pero Merca has taken some good shots. He's still coming back, fighting back. But alam mo na, si Sismundo is going to wear him down in the end very, very, very clearly. Unless Merca pulls something sensational. Final 10 seconds, maganda yung uppercut ni Sismundo.
Dinadala ni Sismundo ang laban dito kay Jovi Merca. Siya ang umaarangkada. A solid exchange there. End of round number 1.
End of first round.